This is the homework help video for Friday, February 3rd for all of my classes. This homework involves finding the area of triangles and trapezoids. We have a trapezoid here. We have two parallel bases. The parallel sides are the bases. We can call this B1 and B2. And the height is the distance between the bases, and that's 15 meters in this case. So we always write the area formula first. Area equals 1/2 B1 plus B2 times the height. B1, well, let's substitute in the numbers. A equals 1/2 20 plus 9 times the height, which is 15. We know PEMDAS requires us to do this addition first since it's in parentheses. So area equals 1/2 of 29 times 15. Half of 29. So you could think of it this a couple different ways. 1/2 times 29 over 1. Top times top, bottom times bottom, you get 29 over 2. Or you can just realize that half of something is dividing by 2. So 29 divided by 2. 1, 2, and 2. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down the 9. There are 4 2's in 9. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, you get 1. We need a decimal and a 0. Line up a decimal in our quotient. Bring down the 0, and there are 5 2's in 10. So area equals, this came out to 14.5 times 15. And when we're multiplying decimals, we ignore the decimal. So I'm going to do that up here. It's like multiplying 145 times 15. And we'll deal with the decimal at the end. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22, carry the 2. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Cross those out. Now we're multiplying by the 1, and that's in the tens place, so start with the 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. Adding these up, we get 1, carry the 1, 2175. We have 1 decimal place in this factor, 0 decimal places in this factor, so I need 1 plus 0, or 1 decimal place in my product. So the area equals 217.5. The units are meters. Since it's area, that would be meters squared. Okay, next problem. Number 13. The state of Montana is shaped somewhat like a trapezoid. What is the approximate area of Montana? The parallel sides would be these two sides. So this, we could call this B1, we could call this B2, and the height equals 290. So some big numbers here, but area equals 1/2 B1 plus B2 times height, and then substituting in the numbers, area equals 1/2 of 460 plus 550 times 290. 460 plus 550. Area equals 1/2 of 1010 times 290. 1/2 of 1010 is the same as 1010 divided by 2. 5 2's in 10. Bring down the 1. There are 0 2's in 1, so we need a 0 here. 0 times 2 is 0. Then we can bring down this 0, and there are 5 2's in 10. So area equals 505 times 290. Let's see. Running out of time on the video. I'm going to leave this last step to you, just multiplying those two together, and the units would be miles squared. Okay, I hope that helps with the homework, and I'll see you in the morning.